Welcome, fellow TravelHolics, to a slice of heaven on earth. Let's begin our journey with a mesmerizing aerial view of Bora Bora's iconic overwater bungalows and the crystal clear lagoon. This is Bora Bora, paradise on earth. Activities in Bora Bora. Dive with us into the vibrant activities that Bora Bora offers. From snorkeling in the coral gardens to exploring the depths of the lagoon through diving, paddleboarding along the shoreline, and breathtaking sunset cruises, Bora Bora is a haven for adventure seekers. Don't miss the chance to swim with sharks and rays in the warm embrace of the lagoon. Luxury resorts in Bora Bora. For an indulgent escape, Bora Bora boasts some of the world's finest luxury resorts. Experience the epitome of luxury with overwater bungalows and exceptional service at the St. Regis Bora Bora Resort, the Four Seasons Resort Bora Bora, and the Conrad Bora Bora Nui. Bora Bora's stunning lagoon. Let's plunge into the translucent waters of Bora Bora's lagoon. Explore the vibrant coral reefs, swim alongside graceful reef sharks, and witness the kaleidoscope of colors from an array of marine life. Bora Bora's lagoon is a natural masterpiece waiting to be discovered. Bora Bora's local culture. As the beauty of Bora Bora, let's also delve into the rich Polynesian culture. Witness traditional dance performances, marvel at local crafts, and savor the unique flavors of Polynesian cuisine. The warmth and hospitality of the Tahitian people add a special touch to this paradise. As our journey through Bora Bora draws to a close, we're left with the echoes of stunning landscapes and vibrant cultures. Now it's your turn to escape to Bora Bora. Plan your retreat to this earthly paradise. Visit our website to request a quote and turn your dreams into reality. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe for more wanderlust-inducing content. Before we bid adieu, take a moment to explore other tantalizing destinations with TravelHolics. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until our next adventure, may your travels be as enchanting as the paradise we've discovered today.